Hello, we are going to do an adductor stretch and tone. All you need is a floor. We're gonna start with a nice, comfortable wide-legged stance. Knees are soft, okay? Hips, again, try to keep, the glutes are gonna be engaged some, but like don't let them be super tight, okay? Just let them hold you up. We're gonna keep the trunk upright, all right? We're gonna bend one knee, so we're gonna bend this knee over here first, lean in, and then as you come over, push this hip out and this hip in order to get that stretch in the adductors. And then we're gonna come back through neutral and switch the hips and push in. Nice and easy. And if you need to, again, we can start this super, super slow. All right. I don't recommend doing these kinds of things super fast, particularly if you're just getting back into opening up the hips and the inner thighs. So when we're doing this, when we're here, we're stretching these and toning these. And now when we go back the inside, we're stretching these adductors and toning these adductors, okay? Keep yourself upright as much as you can. Now, if you would like to add another component to this, play around with the angle of your legs. Okay, so that just means putting your feet in different positions, and you're going to feel as you move, those stretches are going to land in slightly different places in that muscle group. Okay, have fun, enjoy it. Remember to keep breathing. You deserve good care, and thank you for joining me.